Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to create a list and we're going to insert some entries into the list at certain positions. But before we do that, remember, hit that subscribe button below. Do it now. Thank you very much for doing that. So let's start. So let's create a function called insert into list. Yeah, it's a little bit long-winded, but it does kind of explain it quite adequately. Okay, so I'm going to create a list. I'm simply going to call it my list, and I'm just going to put some just random A, B, and C here. So that's my list with random A, B, and C. And then we're going to print the list before we actually change it. So before, so we can show the user. Okay, so that's going to be my list. So that will print this list before we actually change it, so we can see the differences that have taken place. So now I'm going to create entry 1, which is going to be equal to input. So we get the user to type in some input into here. So I'm going to say position 0. Okay, so the user will type in anything into there, and that will be appended to position 0 in the list. Okay, and we're going to do entry 2, which again is equal to input, and that's going to be position, I'm going to say -1, which should be at the end of the list. Okay. Right. My list dot insert. So this is going to insert it. So the first insertion point is going to be 0 in the list, which should be A, because the list starts 0, 1, 2. So, and that's going to be entry 1, whatever the person entered into entry 1. And my list dot insert, which is going to be entry position 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, even though we've got 3 items in here. So that's 1, 2, 3, that's the third item, and it's going to insert it here, which is going to be position 4. So that's going to be 4. It's going to be entry 2. Okay, and then we're going to print after. Whoops. After. So that's going to be my list. Okay, so that'll print afterwards. Now all we have to do is call the program. Which is done by typing the name of the function. Save it and let's run it, shall we? Oh, Mickey the cat. Hello, Mickey. Okay, so there we go. And so that's the position before, and I'm going to insert something here. So I'm going to insert Mark, okay, and Dave. Okay, so we've got Mark at position 0 and we've got Dave at the end here. So there we go. I hope you like that. So as I always say, oi, cat! No, I don't always say cat. The cat was just scratching the sofa then. Sorry about that, I digress. Okay, so remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.